Transform your ordinary footage into something truly magical with this stunning glowing aura effect in CapCut. Alright, let's dive straight into creating that ethereal glow first. Make sure your main video clip is on your CapCut timeline. We're going to start by duplicating this clip. Tap the duplicate option. This gives us a base layer to work with for our aura. Now, with the top duplicate layer selected, find and tap on the mask tool. We're going to use a shape mask to isolate our subject. Choose a circle mask for now. Don't worry about perfection yet. We'll fine-tune this position and resize the circle mask to roughly encompass your main subject, the person or object you want to have the aura around. Next, let's soften the edges. Drag the feather slider to the right. This will create a gentle transition from your masked subject to the background, which is crucial for a realistic aura. With the same top layer still selected, head over to the blending options and select Overlay. You should start to see a subtle brightening around your subject now. It's time to build the actual aura. Tap on Add Overlay and select the exact same video clip again. This new overlay clip will be our aura. We need to make it bigger, so with this new overlay selected, use 2 fingers to pinch and zoom it outwards, making it significantly larger than your original subject. The larger, the better for this step now. Go back into the mask tool for this enlarged over. This time, choose the circle mask and drag its feather value all the way to the maximum. This will create a large, soft, glowing circle. Position this large, soft circle directly behind your subject. Centered on them, you can adjust the size and position until it perfectly encompasses where you want your aura to be. Now let's make this aura glow. With this enlarged, feathered overlay selected, go to Blending and choose Screen. And there it is. You've got a beautiful glowing aura. You can fine-tune the intensity by adjusting the opacity of this aura overlay, or by trying different blending modes like Add. For a truly mystical feel, you can even add another identical overlay, slightly larger, with a different color if you export just the aura effect with a transparent background and re-import it. But for this basic effect, Screen is your best friend. Experiment with the size and feathering of both masks to get your perfect look.